Can Americans and non-Europeans travel freely through France right now? Yes, and we're going to show you how.
Welcome to Learn to Love Travel. This is Travel Secrets Revealed. The seasons are changing from summer to autumn here in Europe. And the travel season would have been in full cycle just a few weeks ago. But as we all know, COVID has taken a big bite out of tourism.
And we're actually in France traveling right now, but there are very few Americans. But yes, travel and tourism is still available.
Many European countries have initiated a green pass, which allows people to enter cafes, restaurants, bars, even public transportation. Without it, you will be denied entry. That means you won't be able to get on a bus or even enter a local restaurant.
But it's easy to get the pass if you're a European national, right?
That's correct.
But the big question is, can Americans and non-Europeans obtain the pass? It is quite difficult to get around here without one.
Yes, Americans and non-Europeans can get the pass, although it's not widely publicized. Here in France, for example, the pass is called a health pass or Pass Sanitaire. Until recently, non-Europeans could only obtain the pass at one disclosed location in Paris, but that soon ended in the middle of the summer.
So Americans and non-Europeans can get a pass online. Another way to get the health pass here in France is to go to a COVID testing site, like a pharmacy. They will usually give you the results right away, and it lasts for 3 days.
The online health pass is no longer available. Starting November 2021, health passes for terms longer than 3 days can only be obtained from an authorized pharmacy within France. You will need to bring your vaccination certificate and passport. The cost is €36.
We'll include a link with more instructions on how you can get your health pass online. Check out the notes below for more information. Yes, Americans and non-Europeans can travel freely through France right now. As long as you're prepared and have your QR code ready to go, when you enter into an establishment, whether it's a restaurant, a train, or a bus, you need this QR code to enter. What they'll do is they'll come over to your phone, they'll scan it with their phone, and you're good to go.
So take advantage of this great travel secret and you'll be off to France in no time.
This is Learn to Love Travel. If you're interested, subscribe to our YouTube channel.